Did you know there's an animal with 9 brains? And another that doesn't even have a brain? The animal kingdom is full of surprises, and their brains, or lack of them, hold secrets that are both fascinating and bizarre. Let's dive in and uncover how these incredible creatures think, adapt, and survive. The sperm whale is a true heavyweight when it comes to brains. Its brain weighs over 18 pounds, the largest of any living creature. But it's not all about smarts. Sperm whales use echolocation to navigate the dark depths of the ocean, sending out sound waves that bounce back to reveal their surroundings. With their massive brains, they've mastered the art of hunting giant squid thousands of feet below the surface. Crows are the masterminds of the bird world. They've been seen using tools like sticks to get food, dropping nuts onto busy roads for cars to crack, and even solving multi-step puzzles. One experiment showed a crow using a series of tools in the right order to get a treat. It's like watching a feathered problem-solving pro in action. Elephants are known for their memory, but it's the way they use it that's extraordinary. In droughts, matriarchs lead their herds to waterholes they haven't visited in decades. They also form deep emotional bonds and recognize old friends, whether they're other elephants or humans. Their brains aren't just smart, they're wired for connection and care. Rats are quick learners and emotional creatures. In experiments, rats have navigated mazes, remembered solutions, and even freed their trapped friends, choosing compassion over food rewards. Their ability to problem solve and empathize shows how much is going on in those tiny heads. Dolphins have names for each other, unique whistles they use to communicate. But they don't stop there. They team up to herd fish into bubble nets, trapping their prey with synchronized precision. In one village, dolphins and fishermen have worked together for generations, proving their intelligence extends to cross-species collaboration. Clark's nutcracker is a bird with an incredible memory. Every year, it hides thousands of seeds across forests and recalls their locations months later, even under snow. Its brain's hippocampus is like a GPS, ensuring the bird has enough food to survive harsh winters. Pigeons have been humanity's messengers for centuries. They can recognize faces, navigate hundreds of miles, and always find their way home. During World War I, a pigeon named Cher Ami saved nearly 200 soldiers by delivering a critical message through enemy fire. Their brain's ability to sense magnetic fields makes them natural-born navigators. Chimpanzees don't just use tools, they innovate. They strip branches to create spears for hunting, or use leaves to soak up water. Young chimps learn by watching adults, passing knowledge down like a family tradition. It's a glimpse into the roots of human culture and intelligence. Goldfish have been unfairly labeled as forgetful, but they can remember things for weeks. They recognize their owners, learn feeding schedules, and even respond to specific sounds. Their memory helps them survive in the wild, navigating familiar environments and avoiding predators. Sharks are instinctive hunters, but their brains are more sophisticated than they seem. They detect electrical signals from prey, sense a drop of blood miles away, and navigate oceans using Earth's magnetic field. A tiger shark once followed a GPS-tagged turtle for days, proving their persistence and strategy. Parrots aren't just mimics, they understand what they're saying. One African gray parrot, Alex, could count, identify colors, and even express frustration. Parrots also form deep emotional bonds, showing intelligence that's both practical and personal. Spiders have brains that extend into their legs, allowing them to spin webs with incredible precision. Orb-weaving spiders even recycle silk to save energy, a behavior that highlights their efficiency. Their brain power lies in their adaptability, crafting homes and traps in diverse environments. Honeybees use their brains collectively. When one bee finds a flower, it returns to the hive and performs a waggle dance, sharing the exact location with others. Their small brains work together to create a super organized colony that thrives on teamwork. Starfish don't have brains, but they're far from simple. They use a nerve network to move, hunt, and even regenerate lost limbs. This decentralized intelligence proves you don't need a brain to survive and adapt in the ocean. Sea squirts have one of the weirdest brain stories. They start life with a brain to explore their surroundings. But once they settle on a rock, they eat their brain because they no longer need it. It's survival on autopilot, a life without thought. Octopuses take multitasking to the next level with 9 brains. One central brain and 8 mini-brains in their arms allow each limb to act independently. While one arm opens a jar, another explores for food. Scientists have even observed them changing colors while sleeping, suggesting they might dream. Ants might be tiny, but their collective brain power is astonishing. Together, they build massive colonies, coordinate food collection, and wage strategic wars. Their teamwork is so advanced, it's been studied as a model for artificial intelligence. Jellyfish have survived for over 500 million years without a brain. They rely on a simple nerve net to sense their surroundings and react instinctively. Their success proves that sometimes simplicity is the ultimate survival strategy. Woodpeckers hammer away at trees thousands of times a day without getting concussions. Their skulls are built like shock absorbers, protecting their brains from repeated impacts. This natural design has even inspired better helmet technology for humans. The animal kingdom's brains come in all shapes and sizes, each uniquely adapted to its environment. From creatures with 9 brains to those with none, their survival strategies show just how incredible nature truly is.